All right, so at this station, you're going to be measuring mass. You're going to be comparing some objects that I provided on how much they weigh. So mass is really just saying how much it weighs. So for example, I've got my mugs. I'm comparing the two. You can kind of try and feel them in your hands to try to figure out which one has the most mass, which one weighs more. So I want you to hypothesize about the objects that I've provided, which ones have the most and least mass. So we've got a scale there that we'll use for our observations. Just take that out of the way. You won't use that for your observations, for your hypothesis, of course. But you do have a few other objects. So you've got a small barn, a small whale, a moose, and a little Spider-Man figure. So A, B, C, and D. We're going to take a look at these. We're going to try to feel them and hold them in your arms, compare each of them to try and compare their mass and rank them from heaviest to lightest. We're going to hypothesize their mass on our page. Write down what you think. So write down the first one being the heaviest, all the way down to 4 being the lightest. So I'll give you a few seconds to do that. Pause the video and press play once you're done your hypothesis. Okay, so now you've got your hypothesis written down and you are ready to make some observations. You're going to use your scale. So take a look at this scale. Whatever you put on it will sink down. Whatever's heavier will sink down lower. So if I put something really heavy on here, like my coffee cup, boom, it goes down. Whereas something light, like this little barn, stays on the upper side. Right? Because this is heavier, it pushes down. So you're going to be comparing the different objects to see which one is heavier. If you put an object on the scale, if it's heavier, it sinks down. If it's light, it goes up. Okay? Take a look at those. Record what you find out. Compare which ones are heavier than the others. Write down the heaviest one as 1, all the way down to the lightest as 4.